I've already discussed plastic eggs and also the wonderful world of chocolate eggs. But of course, the most obvious are actual real eggs, the type that chickens produce. These are a wonderful staple of our Easter basket. They're fun because they come right out of the package. I suggest hard boiling. And of course, you can decorate them in a number of various ways, which is its very own video series, and different techniques of immersing, painting, otherwise dyeing, speckling, which is something I did here. But the main point is that actual eggs make a wonderful, very natural addition to your Easter egg basket. What's more, they're an edible item which is not packed full of sugar. This can be a nice counter to all the various sweets if you have a sugar tooth in the family the basket's intended for. This is like a nice counter to that. If this egg were not hard-boiled, there's no way I could do that. You'd have a really big mess. So make sure that you cook your eggs, hard-boil them at least if you do nothing else to them, before you place them in your basket. Otherwise, you're risking a whole lot of mess.